Viejas Casino and Resort, located in Alpine just east of San Diego, is a luxury destination owned by the Viejas band of Kumeyaay Indians. The resort spans multiple hotel towers, including the adult-only Willows Hotel and Spa, offering over 350 rooms and suites combined. Its casino floor stretches across roughly 250,000 square feet, featuring over more than 2,000 slot machines and around 50 table games, and a dedicated high-limit gaming area. Guests can enjoy upscale amenities such as a full-service spa, saltwater pool with cabanas, fine dining, and shopping at the adjacent Viejas Outlets. Originally opened as a bingo hall in 1977 and expanded into a full casino in 1991, Viejas has grown through several major renovations, most notably a 7-year expansion completed in 2018, transforming it into one of Southern California's premier gaming and resort destinations.
Alright everybody, here's the walking tour of Viejas. Viejas. Grab and go. I'm gonna walk down the middle of the table area.
This place is huge.
It's too much to walk through. I don't know if I can catch everything. We can end over here behind that bar. There's a bar over there.
But the thing is that you don't have to turn around from one place, right? It goes around in circles.
It's a big circle.
It's a big circle.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder how many table games they have, or is this their central table game place?
Oh, sure. I think there are table games on the other side too. We'll see. Ooh, high limit area over there, huh? I guess we could finish up in the high limit room after.
Alright.
So we make a big circle. I don't want to go down every aisle because it's way too much to see.
So the guy that was at the craps table that we just walked by, he was there last night too.
He's waiting for it to open.
Yeah.
So you're saying that somebody hit this Buffalo Power Pay for 500 games?
I was waiting to play this last night, and the mega free games was at 540 something.
It reset now to 50.
Yeah.
Wow. I wonder what it paid out.
So they got like 540 something games.
They probably got a lot more because of the re-triggers.
Yeah. Yeah, what that looks like.
Bubble crabs.
Alright, here we go.
This is the non-smoking section.
So Viejas, unlike Verona, has smoking section and non-smoking section.
Yeah. Let's cut back and forth here. Oh, so that's the other. Okay, it kind of circles around there after.
It circles around. There's like ways to go to the next side. We've never played Shoot Loot.
It's a new game.
Yeah.
Should try it out later.
Should.
Make a video just itself of that game.
We didn't get home.
Oh, nice. How much is that? Nice. Good hit. I don't know. I just wanted to, be a cheerleader for him, but he wasn't having it.
Nope. He wants to play by himself. We haven't done a lot of reels lately, huh?
No. Maybe we should. So what is this restaurant called?
This restaurant?
It's called?
I don't know. I can't see it.
Something Only. That's bad. Baron Long.
Baron Long Bar and Grill.
Must be a. Does anybody know a Baron Long? It's probably a famous person. Could be a sports person. Daily Roast. That's where you get the other espresso.
Yes.
So the lady she's like, "You want 4 espresso shots?" I said, "Yes, I sure do."
Are you sure?
I start my day with 6, and I get it for free at work.
Alright, so this place last night was so loud.
It's quiet now.
The way that the walls are enclosing the sound.
Think so?
Yeah.
I think everything was just on full blast.
And
Let's
everything was on full blast.
Let's do a quick loop. Seems like where all the Link games are.
I wonder if anyone has played these 3 cats or this cats before. This is new, right? Where there's like 2 wheels like that. It's new.
Whisker
To me.
wheel.
I don't know if it's been there, but I haven't seen it before. We have a lot of fast cash here.
A lot of games. We played a lot of games last night. It didn't do too well.
No, not at all.
No.
So we didn't go to that part.
Oh, well, here we go. Let's go over to this part.
They have a lot of machines here.
I like these machines. They give you out stuff and you don't have to buy anything. Just the fountain drinks and coffee. It's the best.
Oh man, this is gonna be really loud as well, it seems like.
What, at night?
Yeah. When everybody's got all the machines blasting so loud and then the way that it's enclosed, it's just...
So it
we need some...
looks like they're working on something over here.
Yes.
So this is the parking garage.
Parking.
Let's go in that room real quick. I missed this room. Trying to get a glance at every section.
It's just a hallway. See, that is where we were.
Yeah.
Over there, and there's a hallway to go to the next room, which is really it's just a big section that's circling.
Yeah.
So it's easy to lose your person here.
And it's easy to lose your money here.
Oh yeah, of course.
Were we here already? Oh no.
My Viejas.
Oh, it cuts through that side. Okay.
It cuts to that side.
Let's walk in the middle here. So many rooms. So many. I don't think we walked over here last night.
I don't think we did. But this place was packed last night.
Yeah.
Ow, making money.
This place is so big. It's humongous.
They have the old things. Black diamond.
Crystal Star.
Crystal star. Where?
Huge win. See, look, right here. It shows this guy bet $27 and won $900 like we did.
Oh.
Right? We bet
Did
27 on Crystal
that's
Star.
True. We won $900 as well. Cashing out.
Huge win.
What is that?
It's a huge win.
In case you didn't hear me the first time. Alright.
Oh,
You guys
so
don't know what we're talking about. Watch the short. Or the video. Okay, you were saying?
it doesn't go in a circle here. I thought it did. So we're walking back.
To the cracks. See, it did circle to the cracks.
Oh, now we're gonna go the other side.
Yeah, I mean, you're not like stuck in one place. You can, you don't have to turn around it the same way.
Let's go over to the high limit gaming. See how big this high limit area is. You know what? The high limit area that really surprised me was oh wow. Okay, this is bigger.
Unexpected.
This is bigger.
We thought it was just the tables.
Yeah, what the high limit area I was about to say was Verona. That one was nice. But this is big too. Wow.
Let's take a look at what games they got. Oh, I don't like those. Those are 5 reels.
I have never played 5 reels.
Excuse. Here's Buffalo. We got hot rolling, poker, dollar store.
Of course, every high limit area has to have the pinball and top dollar,
Of course.
right?
Of course. This is the high limit.
I want to see how much they got paid right here. This black diamond machine just paid out.
Did it?
Yeah, because it has a 7 black diamond 7, so they bet $9 and won $191. Okay. Okay, cool.
I mean, when you get a good bonus, it's really good. But
Gotta walk away.
those are like the once in a while.
Well,
Doesn't always happen. Express.
So this is
Now,
the other side of that bar from the table games.
We're now out of the high limit.
Yeah.
You hear that music? So it was the music and then all the machines together.
Yeah, that's just one machine right there. That's how loud it is. We didn't walk over here last night either.
No, we didn't. It was too much.
This casino is very overwhelming, kind of like Verona. Hey.
Well, I kind of like Verona better because we were winning.
Verona lived up to
choosing the right machines.
Verona lived up to that sign that said loosest slots.
For us, because we were winning, yes.
Yeah, we actually. I did not think I was going to win on that Huff and Puff game. While you were playing craps, I decided, hey, I'm gonna try Huff and Puff. Put 100 in. You didn't see that video.
So we're still in California, so it's California craps table, which means they take the dice and they interpret it into cards. Sucks.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Oh, what's over? So let's kind of. I want to zigzag in here and go over to that area
Okay.
to the right.
All right, so now that we've walked through this, I think that this is a big L. From the hotel portion,
Yeah.
there's a G.
But then it loops around.
It's a G.
Okay.
It's a G that connects.
Okay. Gotcha.
Or number 6. It connects.
I see.
Yeah. So the layout is a number 6 or a number 9, whichever one you want.
They have a lot of Huff and Puff here, but I just want to get that corner there real quick. More Huff and Puff, and then Mystery of the Lamp behind there, and Dragon Links hidden in the corner.
Yeah.
Wow. And then you just have your single Jumanji.
They have a Jumanji. Oh,
Right there.
Jumanji. I like Jumanji.
Well, you know what? I like every game that pays, which is very hard.
I've had some Jumanji that has not paid yet. But for the most part, they've been paying me.
That's good.
Another game I like is Timberjack.
Oh yeah,
Where the
Timberjack.
beavers like scream.
Screaming beavers, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, there's much more to walk through. So this area over here is the casino floor by the hotel.
Yeah, and the entrance of the main entrance.
All right, let's walk in here.
Look at all those lightning. Grand jackpot. Hit the grand jackpot. Oh, didn't say. 25,000 for grand jackpot. Look at the chandeliers.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah.
Pretty big. All right, let's walk out this way. Yeah, these slot machines are making me hot.
So a lot of the lion links are still a favorite because every time we walk around in the morning, all the bonuses are gone, like all the balls.
So here's the entrance right here, and the hotel is right here on the right-hand side. That's where we're staying. So now we're gonna walk through the other side of the casino, the other part of the 6.
What? You're gonna
Look,
go
there's
around
more.
the
There's
back?
more right there. We didn't walk through. Yeah.
No, not really, but okay.
Yeah. Watch. I'll show you.
Walk the other wall.
Sure.
The other wall.
Yeah, the other wall. Yeah, there's a spot over here that we didn't walk in, a small room.
You have a small room.
Yeah.
This is a lot of
It's too much.
dangerous.
You know, you can't get bored of this place because there's so many options.
Dangerous.
See right here. We didn't go in here yet.
Is this different from the 6?
Yeah.
Well, so it's a B.
See right here, the Grove Steakhouse.
Oh, okay. So now I amended. It's not a 6. It's a B.
No, it's an 8. It's a zigzag. I don't
It's
know.
an 8?
I don't know what it is. It's just little of everything.
Oh,
What is
a B
this?
and an A would be the same, right? It's a shape.
Astro Cat. Yeah, so the Grove Steakhouse.
Oh, and then there's the Grab and Go. That's
Yep.
where we started.
Yep, yep.
So let's end up where we started,
Yeah.
which is right here at the Grab and Go. You can get your coffee.
So here we are. We're back. And that's your walking tour, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna go try our luck now. Oh, we didn't finish over here yet.
Well, this is just the division between the smoking and the non-smoking.
Oh, yeah. All right. Finish up in here. Cool.
How about let's see if the craft table is open.
What time does it open?
10?
I guess that's why the guy was waiting, huh?
Yes.
All right, everybody. We're gonna go to the craps table. Let's go see.
Maybe it's supposed to be a big craft.
I don't know. It's 10:06.
Let's go.
The craps table's opening. Did you have a player's card? Did you get one? Okay.
Yes, they made me one when I went to the table.
All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna go play craps. Peace in your hood. Always up to no good.